Then I'm gonna grab my InStyler, load the hair in. When I close, it automatically activates that rotation, but now I'm gonna go ahead and rotate my wrist, create maximum tension on that barrel, and I'm gonna glide nice and slowly. If you see a little bit of steam, it's excess buildup from the hair or product that you may have missed on the hair before you use the InStyler. So again, I'm going nice and slow down the hair shaft, rotating my wrist for maximum tension, which will then give maximum body to her fine hair. So in one pass, you can see by adding tension on that barrel, by rotating my wrist, we smoothed out Janelle's hair and gave it tons of body and volume. So go ahead and try it at home. All right, everybody, so my second tip that I'm going to share with you on how to get body and volume in fine hair using the InStyler is by over-directing in the crown. The crown section of your head is this section of hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sectioning comb and I'm going to take this piece right in the back, right in her top crown, comb through so there's no tangles. Grab my InStyler, and then I'm just gonna take her to the side so you can see what I'm really doing. I'm loading this hair into the InStyler, closing the unit, and then I'm over directing. So you can see I'm pushing the hair forward. By pushing the hair forward, you're really maximizing that volume in the crown. So take your time, go nice and slow. And then when it falls out, you can see it has this great body and volume. All right, so just to show you one more time, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, taking my section of detangled hair, loading it into the InStyler, over directing by pushing the hair forward, taking my time, going nice and slow. So as you can see, this is creating maximum volume in Janelle's fine hair. This is the crown section of hair that you want to concentrate on. Just continue the steps that I did through the entire crown, and as it layers on top of each other, it will create massive body and volume. So continue this at home, and I guarantee that your fine flat hair will go from flat and drab to big and fab. Try it at home. All right, so we're on to tip number 3 on how to create body and volume in fine flat hair. So you can already see we've been working some volume into Janelle's flat hair. So how about I show you look number 3. Texture creates the illusion of thicker, fuller hair. So if you have fine hair, what you're gonna wanna do is put some curl into it. So at home, this is how you're gonna create curl with the InStyler. You're gonna take a section of hair, make sure it has no tangles, then take your InStyler and you're simply going to wrap the hair around the barrel of the InStyler. If your tail is hanging out, you can just simply rotate your wrist and feed that tail in, and you're just gonna wait several seconds, allow the polishing barrel to create a great curl, and then I am going to drop this out, which is what you're gonna do at home as well. So go ahead and drop that out, and you'll see a really great wave, great curl. And you can see if I continue to do this throughout her head, it's going to look like she has twice as the amount of hair that she already has. So that's what you're gonna do at home if you have fine hair. Continue to grab a section, wrap it around the barrel of the InStyler, close the unit,